Hello, this is the TradeSet U.S. stocks and futures market preview and domestic preview for Tuesday, the 26th of March, 2019. Hope you had a good trading day on Monday. It was great for futures. We had a huge chunk of winners on futures early, but the stock side was pretty boring and the market was pretty boring. It was a gap down. We filled the gap, and then we just kind of sat. We'll go through the intraday action in a minute. Let's go through the daily charts and see what we get. So here's a look. That was the ES. We'll just look through everything. Here's crude oil up 41 cents to 59.23. Gold down $1.20. S&P cash loses $2.35. So again, almost nothing there. Gold, Nasdaq down. Sorry about that. Nasdaq down 9.10. SOX down 17.62. Biotech's up $5.71. Russell 2000 gained $6.94. The VIX down 15 cents. But it was higher earlier in the day. Remember, we got that 13 buy signal on the VIX, which is kind of a big deal. TRIN 1.16. I'm sorry, I didn't hit that right. The TRIN at 1.16 or 1.15 puts the 10-day at 1.07. Nasdaq volume, the lightest it's been in a month, 2.1 billion shares. So that's the problem with that. Advanced decline ratio on Nasdaq plus 167. So a few more stocks up than down on the New York plus 133. Again, a few more stocks up than down. Google loses $10.27. It has been on a tear. Apple down $2.31. It's also been on a tear. Netflix up $5.22. Amazon up $9.49. Tesla down $4.11. Nothing there, looking good. Facebook up $1.95. Goldman Sachs loses 45 cents. And TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, up 20 cents. New highs for the last year on the bonds there. Dow was up 14 points, which is a blip. All right. In terms of intraday action, here's the 5-minute chart. So we gapped down, filled the gap quickly. That's what made us all the money on the futures. Then we rolled over, broke to new lows, and 30 minutes in, we kind of stalled out, and we sat a little bit lower for 30 minutes. And then that's the whole range for the day at that point in time. I mean, realistically speaking, we came back up and swept the highs, failed immediately. After lunch, we swept the lows and failed immediately, and we closed right about where we opened. So it's a very unexciting day from that perspective. Here's the NASDAQ side. Pretty much the same thing. It just wasn't a very interesting day, unfortunately. So there's not much else to talk about from that perspective. In terms of economic data on Tuesday, which is now the 25th of March, excuse me, we've got housing starts and building permits now before the bell. S&P housing price index 30 minutes before the bell. Consumer confidence and Richmond manufacturing index 30 minutes into the market. We still have some big things coming out later this week. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading